Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your username on the Uno application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And click to the profile button at the upper left corner of the screen. Here you can find the Daniel button, for example. Delete this and just write your own username, and if you don't, just click to the OK button and click to the confirm option and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.